Welcome back to Homestar Inspections. My name's Toby. I am once again stuck in an attic because that's what I'm all about. Attic inspections are part of a home inspection, of course, and you always want to try to get as much accessible area as possible that's safe for you and the home. Multiple things we look for in the attic, electrical issues, roof leaks, plumbing issues, and I came across something today I've never seen before in over several thousands of inspections I've completed. I've never seen this before. Ideally with the bathroom, you always want to evacuate the moist air to the exterior of the home. You don't want to cause mold issues inside the house, and you certainly don't want to pump it into the attic because that's also going to cause a mold issue in the attic, and that's typically what we find is that's being pumped into the attic. Somebody got a little more creative and figured out a way to pump it to the exterior without putting a hole on the exterior envelope of the house, which, on its face seems like a solution, but it is not for multiple reasons. It's actually the most hazardous way to do it possible. Let me just go ahead and show you what it's at. You have the metal pipe from the bathroom vent. They cut the plumbing stack for the house, the main plumbing stack, and put in a T-joint and then taped it right to that. Why is that an issue? Well, you are solving the problem of getting the moisture out of the house and to the exterior. However, you've created even worse conditions. The most important part is you are actually introducing now sewer gases into the house. Never a good idea. Other issues are the water, the rainwater that does make its way into that pipe. We get torrential rains down here in South Florida. That's going to eventually find its way into that tube, and so can rodents. The solution is pretty simple. You just need to pump it right to that wall right there, cut a hole in it, put it in the proper boot, and call it a day. This is why you get your home inspected. This is why it's important to make sure you hire a good inspector, and you can always reach out to us through our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Take care.